Nababahala si Senate President Juan Miguel Zubiri matapos na mapag-alaman na may mga ilang Japanese companies sa Pilipinas ang nagbabadyang umalis at nais na lamang mamuhunan sa ibang bansa dahil sa issue ng tax refund. Ito aniya nabanggit kamakailan ni Japanese Prime Minister Fumio Kishida kay Zubiri sa pagbisita nitong nakaraang weekend sa Pilipinas. Dahil dito nananawagan si Zubiri kasabay ng budget deliberation sa plenaryo sa Senado sa 2024 national budget na aayusin ng pamahalaan ng kanilang tax refund program para sa mga dayuhang kumpanyang namumuhunan sa Pilipinas. Ayon kay Zubiri, ito ang kanyang ipinangako kay Kishida para manatili ang mga Japanese investors sa Pilipinas na aayusin niya ang ating value-added tax refund system.
Particularly on the issue of the VAT refund. However, the Japanese companies, I was seated beside the cabinet minister of the Prime Minister. Basically, he's the ES of the Prime Minister. And ang tagal namin pinag-usapan itong problema ng VAT refund. We're in the previous administration, obviously when you buy, for example, when the Japanese companies that are manufacturing here buy from local producers these certain goods, and these goods are exported anyways together with their products. The last administration, Your Honors, made it clear na magbabayad muna sila ng VAT and then i-refund pag-export. Ang problema, hindi nagva-VAT refund ang gobyerno natin. And we owe them billions of pesos already, and they've already threatened, well, there are threats that they might move shop to other countries. These are already locators here, Your Honor, Mr. Chairman. I don't know if you're aware of this. These are already locators here. Now, prospectively, ayusin natin. Congress, I committed, and the Prime Minister was very happy. He shook my hand and he thanked me, and we're going to see him again on December.
Pinararating naman ni Senate Committee on Finance Chairman Senador Sani Angara ang tugon ng economic managers ng administrasyon na nakatakda ng magbayad ang Bureau of Internal Revenue sa loob ng 90 araw. Gayunpaman, ang ilan aniyang may kaso ng naisampa sa korte ay kinakailangan mo nang hintayin ang pinal na desisyon ng kaso bago magbayad ang BIR. Ako, si Jojo Sikat, walang inaatasang balita.